In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer photos from Dropbox to Gallery. We'll be using a web browser for a clean bulk download, and then moving those photos to your phone so they show up in your gallery. This approach is perfect when you want to grab a lot of images at once and keep everything organized on your computer before transferring. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to Dropbox.com. Sign into your account and make sure you're on a stable internet connection, especially if you're downloading a large number of files. Once you're in, browse to the folder that contains the photos you want. You can use the search bar or navigate through your folders. If you're seeing thumbnails, great. That makes visual selection easier. Select the photos by clicking the checkboxes next to each one. If you're grabbing everything in a folder, use the checkbox at the top to select all. On many browsers, you can also hold Shift to select Arrange. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right images. Names, dates, or thumbnails can help you double-check before you download. With your photos selected, click Download. Depending on your view, you'll see this at the top or under the More Options menu. Dropbox will bundle multiple files into a single .zip file, which helps keep the download tidy. Choose a familiar location on your computer. Your Downloads folder is usually fine, and let the download complete. If it's a big batch, give it time and keep the browser window open so nothing gets interrupted. Next, locate the .zip file on your computer and unzip it. On most systems, double-clicking opens and extracts it. If you're on Windows, you can also right-click and choose Extract All. On a Mac, double-clicking automatically creates a folder with the contents. You should now see a regular folder containing all your photos. To move these to your phone's gallery, you have two main options. For a direct connection, plug your phone into your computer with a USB cable, unlock the phone, and if prompted, set it to allow file transfer. Open your phone's storage on the computer and drag the unzipped photos into a Pictures or DCIM folder. Alternatively, use your preferred cloud sync. Upload the unzipped photos to a cloud service that syncs to your phone. Then let them finish syncing so they appear in your gallery. Once the transfer is done, open your phone's gallery to confirm the images are there. If they don't appear immediately, give the device a moment to index new files. That's it, your Dropbox photos are now safely in your gallery.